Hello, hello, welcome to Pink and Glitter. My name is Madi and thanks for clicking on this video today. Today we're going to be trying this brand out. It's Ninja Transfers. It is like a DTF or direct to film vinyl, and I've heard so many good things of them, and I've seen videos that they look super good and better quality than actual sublimation. So I'm so excited to try it out because, you know, I need to get on with the game and try the newest things with you guys. So hope you guys like this video and let's get started. So I jumped on VoiceOver and this is the box for the Ninja Transfers DTF. I am so excited to open it up and finally see my designs because yes, I did create my designs and choose the ones that I wanted. I did find some on Facebook groups, I made some on Canva, and you know, I love it. They turned out beautiful, very good quality, beautiful bright colors. I love it. And then these are the instructions that come with the box. So aside from the DTF transfers, they do also have the UV DTF perma stickers, and they also did include a piece of parchment paper. First, I will show you guys on Canva how to make just a simple design. You can use the free version, but I do pay for my pro version just because you can get way more designs and elements and text and everything. It's just more, it's not as limited. So I'm going to go to elements and just type in whatever you'd like they literally have anything you type in. I'm just going to make a fall design just to show you guys just a little bit of how to make something really simple and cute. This is totally random. I'm just literally putting in anything I see just because I just want to show you guys it's easy and very simple to make. And yeah, I have been paying for Canva for about a year because I do use it for work as well, and it comes in handy for our crafting. So I do recommend you pay for it just because it is way more accessible to get different designs, text, and you could do way more on it just instead of using the basic free version. So now when you go to save it, you do want to save it in good quality and also do the transparent background just so when you upload it to the Ninja Transfers it's easier to just use. Alright, so to show you guys how to create your own sheet, all you have to do is click on DTF GANG Sheet Upload or DTF GANG Sheet Online Builder. Here you'll see that they do have different sizes to choose from, anywhere from 2 feet up to 30 feet, and you can actually choose your film style such as standard or glitter. This time I did choose the standard. And then here you will upload your images. And let it upload. And if it isn't clear, like the background isn't clear, there is an option to choose and you can remove the background. And then we will just choose our size. Once you have the design, you can duplicate as many times as you want, and it's really nice because now you just have to fill up your entire sheet with as many designs and whatever colors you want, and that's it. So this is my roll. Let's go ahead and cut out the designs. I won't be cutting all of them out. I'll just cut a few of them just because I don't need them all at the moment, and yeah, I can keep them in the box and just save them for later. And now for the moment of truth, we are going to heat press our design. So this is the HTV Ront. I will be putting it at 310 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 seconds. That's what the instructions say, so let's follow them. And this is the design that I chose for today. It's the sweater weather, just because, you know, almost fall time, almost that time of year where we have to just wear a sweater for the weather. I love it. So yes, let's press it. And it was super simple, very, very easy to do. And I'm going to tell you guys, like, this is way better than sublimation in my opinion. I don't know, just look at it. Such nice colors, and it feels so smooth, so nice. I had no problem with this DTF transfer, and I don't know, like, the quality is just so good. I do recommend it. It's just so easy to use, and I don't know, I really like it. I did end up making more designs because I wanted to keep trying it out with you guys. So the next one is one of my favorites. It's the Deadpool and Wolverine. Oh my god, I watched the movie last month and it was awesome. I really loved it. So I had to make myself a design, like a shirt. And I pressed it again at 310 for 13 seconds, and I had to press it twice just because the instructions say to do it once with the clear film and then once afterwards, just so you can press it down. And I don't know, it just works perfectly. So always remember to follow the instructions. It is very easy and simple to do. This turned out beautiful. And then the next one, I did try out a little makeup bag, and it also did work beautifully. I was super happy with the results and so excited to be able to try out the Ninja Transfers. And I love that you can actually create your own designs and your own sheet, and it's a pretty affordable price. So I did enjoy using the Ninja Transfers DTF. I do recommend it 100% because they print in full color. Your shirts are ready in literally 15 seconds. There's no weeding needed and no color minimum. You can choose designs with as many colors as you want, and they print out in excellent quality, and it's just easy to apply, easy to use, and it lasts for so many washes, and you can press it on literally any kind of apparel. If you are interested in making your own gang sheet, click on the link down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!